Welcome to episode 50 of Paper Brief, where we delve into the intricacies of cutting-edge research papers. I'm Charlie, and I'm joined by Cleo, our AI wizard, who will help us unpack the details. Today, we're discussing LucidDreamer, domain-free generation of 3D Gaussian splatting scenes. Cleo, this work mentions the burgeoning demand for 3D scene generation. Can you give us a primer on why this is becoming so important?
Absolutely, Charlie. With virtual reality kicking into high gear, there's an ever-growing appetite for new and immersive 3D content. Traditional 3D scene models are somewhat restricted because they are trained on datasets that don't quite capture the real-world complexity. The folks behind LucidDreamer are tackling this by harnessing large-scale diffusion models, which allows them to sidestep domain limitations and generate incredibly detailed and diverse 3D scenes. It's a huge step for the industry.
That's fascinating. Now, the paper describes a two-step process, dreaming and alignment. Can you walk us through what these steps entail?
Sure thing. The dreaming step is about creating images that are geometrically consistent from various viewpoints. Basically, the system projects part of a point cloud to create a new image, which a stable diffusion-based model then converts to a complete image. Following that, the alignment step merges these newly created 3D points with the existing scene in a seamless fashion, which is crucial for maintaining consistency.
Sounds like quite the intricate process. I'm curious, what sets LucidDreamer apart from other 3D scene generation methods?
LucidDreamer's secret sauce is the domain-free approach that leverages the stable diffusion and Gaussian splatting techniques. This results in high-quality 3D scenes that are incredibly detailed and not limited to a specific domain like prior models. Plus, it can generate scenes from a variety of inputs like text, RGB, or RGBD images.
Now you've piqued my interest with Gaussian splats. What exactly are they, and why are they important here?
Gaussian splats are a way of representing 3D scenes that make use of both spherical harmonics and opacity. They help fill in gaps that might be present because of depth discrepancies, which lets LucidDreamer render scenes that are much more photorealistic compared to older representation methods.
Photorealism is definitely key for immersion in VR. Let's talk about versatility. The authors mention diverse domains like anime, Lego, indoor, outdoor. How does the model handle such diversity?
The versatility comes from the model's ability to take in various input types and conditions, sometimes even simultaneously. For instance, combining an image and a text input allows the generation of a scene that follows the text, but also integrates elements from the input image. Essentially, the model's flexibility and multi-input capability mean it can cater to a wide range of creative demands.
That's impressive. But how is the user experience when interacting with LucidDreamer? Is it straightforward for creators to generate their desired scenes?
From what I gather, the experience is designed to be quite user-friendly. The multiple input types, along with the ability to change them on the fly during the creation process, offer a level of control that's pretty empowering for creators. The goal is really about mitigating the traditional challenges of 3D generation and providing a canvas for creativity.
It seems LucidDreamer really blurs the line between dreaming and creating. All right, that's a wrap for today's episode on LucidDreamer. Thanks, Cleo, for breaking it down for us, and thank you, dear listeners, for joining us on Paper Brief. Catch you on the next episode.
It was a pleasure, Charlie. Till next time, everyone, keep dreaming in 3D.